Welcome back to the Ragu Guru. Today I'm going to show you how easy it is to make a Valentine's dinner for you and your sweetheart.
And then she sees that you can transform this into this. All those horrible things about you that are true turns to love.
Valentine's Day dinner for two. Of course, we got flowers, a couple of T-bones, garlic, some red garnets, delicata squash, melange of aromatics, of course, shiitake mushrooms, and asparagus. Let's add it. And here's the bread out of the oven. Very nice. Very nice sound. Beautiful, charming, wonderful, delicious bread. First things first, stab some holes in the garnets and the delicata squash, throw it in the oven, 350 for an hour. Sage, garlic, olive oil. Voila.
Aromatics. Aromatics.
Okay, the garnets were pretty easy. It's just butter. That's all there. And then, of course, I doctored up the delicata squash with some maple syrup and cinnamon, and, of course, butter. And the T-bones. Very hot and juicy. And then, of course, asparagus. Little here, little there, little everywhere. And then, of course, the shiitake mushrooms on top. Valentine's dinner with a beautiful wine, simple food, very delicious. What else can you ask for? All right. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.